Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix a Minecraft connection reset error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just click here and then type here view network connections, and after that just right click on your connection. If you are using cable, you will find here internet, click on it, right click and then properties, and then click protocol internet version 4, click properties, and after that click use the following DNS, then type here 8888 and then 88 and 44, and now enable this one and click OK and then OK again. Now just close this one, and after that just type here task manager, and after that maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then go to memory and close all applications that uses your memory like Google Chrome, right click and end task, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.